I'm standing in his garden, where the air is thick and sweet, watching as the fungus blooms right beneath my feet. The world was always heavy, but as the iron starts to rust, everything I've ever hated is finally turning into dust. But I don't feel any sorrow, and I don't feel any pain. I'm just standing here waiting for the blessed grandfather's decaying rain. The struggle is a memory that fades into the mist. I finally found happiness in the grandfather's bliss. Let his plagues fall down and wash our grief away. Turn all the rotting worlds into realms of soft decay. It starts with a gentle seed in a world that's gone to sleep. He's the only one who knows exactly what we need. Let his plagues fall down. They said I was a broken thing, they say my love's a sin, but I finally feel holy, comfortable in my own rotting skin. His fever is a melody, the decay is his song. It's an infection that leads me to the place I always belonged, where the corpse flies are dancing, circling in the plague moon's light. In his garden everything is beautiful, everything finally feels right. No more fighting the future, no more battles for the past. I'm lying cradled in his great cycle at last. The numbness is a blanket, and the sickness is a key. Grandfather, oh grandfather, you've set my soul free. Let his plagues fall down and wash our grief away. Turn all the rotting worlds into realms of soft decay. It starts with a gentle seed in a world that's gone to sleep. He's the only one who knows exactly what we need. Let his plagues fall down. The struggle is a memory that fades into the mist. I finally found my happiness in the grandfather's bliss. Let it fall, let it grow, everything is alright. Let his plagues fall down.